Yes, good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make the most amazing holiday roasted whole chicken. To get started, I already prepped my chicken and washed it really well in some lemon juice. And I'll be using some thyme, rosemary, scallions, garlic, onion, ginger, 1 habanero pepper, some oil. I have some complete seasoning, rotisserie chicken seasoning, black pepper, paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, and some better than bouillon. So first things first, you want to combine all of the ingredients, and I will add 1 tablespoon of that better than bouillon here. If you don't have better than bouillon, you could just use the bouillon cubes or the powder. I will also add some oil, and then I remember that I wanted to add like a tablespoon of honey. Just to balance all those flavors out, because with a whole lot of savory flavors, I just felt like the honey would be great in there. So once we add all the ingredients, we'll go in with a hand blender. If you want, you can transfer them to a regular blender, and you want to blend it until it's nice and to your desired texture. If you want it chunky, you could do that. If you want it smooth, you can do that. So once it's nicely blended, this is what it should look like. Now we will move on with the next step, which is marinating our chicken. So here we have the chicken, and what I did was cut straight up the backbone. I'm doing it spatchcock style because I feel like it gets marinated better this way. Next, you want to generously coat the chicken with the marinade. You want to get all up in there, all up in the creases and the crevices. You want to lift the skin, the leg, the thigh, the breast, and just put the seasoning all up in there. And once we're done, we will let this sit and marinate overnight. Don't rush the process, guys. Like, why cheat yourself out of something good by rushing it? You will get the best results if you allow this to rest overnight. So I will cover it, and tomorrow I'll show you all the next step. So moving on to the next day, I'll be using my cast iron skillet. I already greased the skillet, and we'll place the chicken in here. I did take my chicken out of the fridge about an hour prior so it could come up to room temperature. You never want to put ice cold chicken into the oven, so remember that. Next, you want to drizzle that remaining marinade on top of your chicken, and we will add some butter there. Then we will go in with some more of our rotisserie chicken seasoning. This will give the chicken a beautiful color over top, and it will look like Christmas, trust me, or Thanksgiving. Like, if you don't want to cook turkey, you can cook this chicken. It's so flavorful and delicious, guys. Now once you're done coating that chicken with a rotisserie seasoning, we will cover this and place it inside of the oven. I did preheat my oven to 375 degrees, and we'll place it in there for about an hour and 30 minutes. Then I'll show you all the next step. So after about an hour and 30 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking. Next, you want to place this back into the oven for an additional 30 minutes, this time uncovered. If you want, you can place some foil wrap on the wings to prevent them from burning. But after about 2 hours in total, this is what we have. It smells absolutely amazing. If you want, you can baste it with the juices at the bottom before serving. I did serve mine up with some scalloped potatoes, stir-fried vegetables, and it was a hit. My entire family enjoyed it. It was super moist, tender, and flavorful. This is perfect for the holidays. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.